Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thanks for joining me today. Today I have some goodies that I got from Beebeecrafts and I wanted to share with you guys. I just got them in the mail, and I just opened the envelope that they came in, and I wanted to show you everything as I took them out. I was watching Maria at Pink Crafty World a week or so ago, maybe 2 weeks, and she was saying that Beebeecrafts has a YouTube program where if you have a certain amount of YouTube subscribers and just reach out to them, they'll send you some products for free in exchange for you reviewing them. So I thought, all right, well, I'll try it because I've wanted to order from them. I've seen other people get products from them, and the ones that Maria got looked really nice. So anyway, I emailed Beebeecrafts and they wrote me back right away, and they said, sure, that would be great. So they asked me to pick out a few products from their website, which I did, and I just got them, and everything came really quick and well packaged. So I thought we could take a look at them together, and I'll link down below everything I got. And I will use these in projects, and I'll show you those as well, but I just got the package and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So the first thing is I got this set of 10 different colors of jump rings, and I saw Maria had gotten something similar. I'm not sure if this is the exact set that she got, but as you can see, there's lots of different colors of jump rings, and I do have some colored jump rings, but they're large. I got them from Target in the kids craft section, but these are smaller, so I think these will be better for tassels and things like that. The big ones are good, but you know, obviously you can't use them for everything. So, and it comes in this nice little case. This is like a nice thick plastic, and they look like they're about 6 or 8 millimeters. I don't remember if it said on the website what size they are, but I will link it so you could take a look if you're interested. But lots of nice colors, so glad to get those, and I'll definitely be making some projects with that soon. The next thing I got was this package of brads, and they're assorted colors and sizes. So I like that there are these teeny tiny ones, and also a medium-sized brad, and then larger ones too. So these are great for paper flowers to use in the centers or pinwheels. You know, there are obviously lots of things you can use brads in, but I do like all the different colors here, and there are so many as well. I forget how many, but it was a lot. So, and it looks like a lot too. So yeah, I'm excited to use those. I have some brads, but not that many, and I don't know, I have a hard time finding stuff like that. So anyway, the next thing I got is this container of cute, sweet resin pieces. And oh my gosh, these look adorable. Let's take a look. It comes in this nice container. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at that. Look at that cupcake. The detail is really nice on these. You know, sometimes you get resin pieces and they look like, you know, somebody who does not know how to painted them. These look really good. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this little macaron. These are, oh my gosh, I love these. Look at that rainbow cake. So there are some repeats, it looks like, but some, all right, that painting's not the best, but not too bad. That one's better. So cute. Oh, I love these. You can make these into charms, you know, just add a bell on the back and instant charm. You can add them to shadow boxes and just embellishments, you know, put in the center of a bow or something like that. Lots of different candy colors. I won't go through all of them, but oh, look at that. It's like a little mouse ears cupcake. That'll be good with that, with the new Just Like Magic collection from Frank Garcia. Yes. A little blue cake. What's this one? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's like a little, I don't know, tart or something. Maybe like a, yeah, I don't know. Adorable. Is that the one I picked out already? Yeah, I guess I didn't pick it out. But yeah, so you get the idea. So many cute different resin pieces. I really like that. So, and I love that it comes in a pretty jar. You don't have to like pour it into something else to store it, you know? All right, so there's that. And I got one more thing. I got a pack of faux leather. Ooh, the shine is going to be pretty bad on this one. Let me just cut this. Oh, you don't have to cut it open. It's a Ziploc. So I was thinking I would use these for bows, for steel wool dies, for what else? Other embellishments, butterflies. So I got this one. I think this was, pretty sure it was a pack, all different color ones. I don't think I ordered them individually, but I will link it down below. I really don't remember. But this one is like a mermaidy green blue. It's got a really nice soft backing. That'll go through the dye machine easily, I'm sure. But I will test it and let you guys know. This one's like purple, silver. I think that's hard to tell. Are those the same color? Ooh, that holographic effect is just let you guys see the different color. I cannot tell what color that is. It's like a dark gold maybe. I really can't see. But okay, here's a lighter gold. And there's a pink. This one's kind of like a yellowy green. And then a bright pink. So yeah, I think this came in a pack of like preset colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 different ones. They're about, let's see, about 9 by 12, I would say. Yeah. So yeah, I will make some things with all of these and show you, report back, tell you what I think about them. Even though they were sent to me for my review, that doesn't mean I'm gonna love everything. But so far, I really like the company, and I like how everything was sent and packaged, and the speed in which they were sent. So, all right, again, I'll link everything down below. Thanks for watching, and I will be back soon with an update on how I used and what I like about these products, if I do. Talk to you guys later. Bye.